Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually have a new income stream by joining different hackathons. Right, so this is one of the hackathon that was announced on January 8th, and right now it's available for registrations. It's called Proof of Usefulness. It was created by Hackernoon, which is a top online uh, technology blog post or forum that talks about different kinds of deep tech, AI, and different technologies. So Proof of Usefulness is basically a hackathon that was sponsored by Bright Data, by Storyblock, by Neo4j, and Algolia. Each are different technology tools available today. Bright Data is very specialized in scraping different data and being able to make that data available for you to create your own apps in it. And Algolia is a very advanced AI search engine which you can incorporate into your website or into your web app and be able to search for information in different languages and different styles within your web app. Okay, so proof of usefulness is basically this is the link here which talks about what is proof of usefulness and why it's important, and anybody can participate in it basically. And the good news is here you can actually try out different tools, and they're going to give you free credit to try out the different tools for you to submit your project for the chance to win the prizes. They have different prizes. Here they have the submit page, which allows you to submit your project, and they have different criteria to grade and score your project. Okay, so you want to take a look at this. I put a link in the description below, and you'll be able to take a look at the details. And now, why is this important? Why would I recommend you do this? I've joined hackathons before, built hackathons on Lovable and Bolt last year, and I was able to create some very interesting web apps. I'm going to show you exactly what those are. But here are some of the prizes which you are going to win, and if you join this, so here, what prize can I win? 150,000 in total prizes distributed across two main groups: individual developers competing for a monthly cash prize, and software developers and software credits, which you can get from the different tools who are sponsoring this hackathon. Startups competing for major software credits to scale their production software. These are the cash prizes: $20,000 in cash awarded on a monthly basis across the contest, recognizing both individual and startup builders. Bright Data is $10,000, 10 winners, $1,000 each. Hackernoon is going to be distributing $5,000 for 10 winners, so $500 per person. Storyblock is going to be distributing $5,000 on 6 monthly winners. Okay, software credits worth $130,000. So Bright Data is going to be giving you $60,000 in software credits on their platform for 3 startup winners at $20K each. One winner is going to be per monthly basis, per bi-monthly basis on Jan to Feb, March to April, and May to June. And then Neo4j is going to be giving $10,000 in terms of credits on their platform, which is 10 winners at $1,000 of credits each. Algolia, which is a very top, well-known search engine for websites and web apps, is going to be giving out $60,000. 6 winners get 6 months of premium Algolia access worth $10,000. Right? Here's the link that will show you the complete price breakdown, including cash prizes and the software package prices. Okay. Now, are there participation rewards? Yes, all participants can claim free credits from sponsors to help build their projects. So Bright Data is going to be giving you $250 in free credits for you to be able to build your project. Storyblock is going to be giving you $540 worth of 45 days of access to the growth plan. Neo4j, which is an Aura DB database, online database on the cloud, free for all participants. Algolia is going to be giving you a build tier free for all participants. And Hackernoon is going to be giving you $750 worth of publishing and promotion credits for startups. Okay, these are available to anyone who submits. Now, if you really are serious about building a new web app, or maybe you're considering to build a web app, maybe you have an idea for a specific app, this would be a great starting point for you to actually consider. And it would give you a huge learning experience and a building experience for you to actually use. And you can use any kind of AI vibe code, such as Lovable or Replit or Bolt.new, if you want to build your startup here. Okay. I'm going to put a link in the description below. You can see all the details of the actual link, and you can review what are the criteria for your submissions and for the project. So let me just go over this one. There's a theme, right? There's a theme which is basically the criteria for them to score your project. Foundational tech and builder innovation, sponsored by Hackernoon. The second one is data infrastructure, AI and automation, sponsored by Bright Data. The third one is modern content architecture, sponsored by Storyblock. Graph-powered intelligence. Now you might be thinking, do you need to be a developer? Actually, no. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to be a hardcore developer to be able to participate in these hackathons. Now, it definitely going to help you if you have some development experience. You'll be able to build things faster. You'll be able to figure things out faster, but you don't have to. It's not necessary. So I'll give you an example of what I built. Here, let me just see this. So last year, I joined a hackathon sponsored by Lovable, and I was able to create this. And I used Lovable AI vibe coding tool to create Gym AI. Gym AI allows you to track and show how many calories you're going to actually burn on any fitness equipment machine, a treadmill, or any kind of machine, right? And what it does is it actually scans the gym equipment and be able to give you the answers right away. So here's an example of how it works, how Gym AI works. Click on Scan Me, snap a photo of the gym equipment, upload it, click on the button Analyze Equipment. It will give you how many calories you can burn from the minimum and the maximum for you to burn on that machine, right? Depending on your weight, your age, and your gender, right? So if you go here, scan gym machine, you're going to have to enter the security code. Okay, verify, and then you have to upload your gym machine equipment. Right here, just choose the photo, and then you have to click on Analyze Equipment. I don't have a photo right now. Once you do, it's gonna analyze equipment, and then you can put your details here, your weight, your gender, your age, your height, and then you hit Analyze, and it will give you exactly the range of calories that you can actually burn on the machine, a minimum and maximum, depending on the intensity level and depending how long you go for. Right? So this is a simple way which I was able to build this in about 3 weeks using Lovable, just by going back and forth and adding Claude LLM APIs and being able to get the information and be able to build it right there. So this is why I'm saying it's very, very important for you to consider doing these different, join these hackathons. Another app which I created is called Ball, Crypto Ball. Let me see if it's still available. Right, I put it on Netlify actually. So Crypto Ball, I created this when I joined a hackathon of Bolt.new, which happened last year in November. And what this does is basically, here's the logo for Bolt. What it does basically, it allows you to be able to, what it does is actually, it goes to, let me see if it's here, Dex Screener. It actually, what this does is it looks like Dex Screener. Dex Screener is a decentralized exchange that looks like all the different pairs of cryptocurrency pairs across all different tokens on Ethereum. And it scans what are the best ones that have an opportunity for you to actually make a profit of the trading of these pairs. So it actually, in this case, it gives you, like, if you buy here, example, Ether, 32%. So Ether, so here, example trade, if you buy 0.321 of Ether on Ikubo for $1,000 and then sell it on Radium for $1,327. After the gas fees and slippage, you'll be able to make a net profit of $317, right? Just by doing that trade. It uses what is called arbitrage trading, where you can actually buy the Ether crypto on one exchange, a decentralized exchange. In this case, you'll buy it on Ikubo, and then you'll be able to sell it on a different exchange for a much higher price at a profit. And this all depends on the liquidity. And here you have the different buttons. You can buy directly from your MetaMask, and then once you make the buy, you can go to your MetaMask and sell on Radium, right? For you to be able to make that. Now, this is still in the early alpha stages, but I'm still working on advancing it and adding more things to it, okay? Gym AI is the same thing. It's still in the early stages, and I'm actually looking at adding more functionality to it. One option is I'm working on creating what is called ProMate. ProMate, not that. Let me see, ProMate API. ProMate API. So one option is by using ProMate API, I'm going to be able to incorporate in Gym AI live sessions with the personal trainers directly on the platform. So, for example, if you have a personal trainer on that he wants to be able to schedule sessions online live with his students or with the candidates can actually go and book their session directly online and be able to book that trainer's time, and the trainer will be guiding them live online on the app, on the mobile, to make sure they're doing their exercise correctly and they're doing the right reps. All right. So if you guys like this video, just comment and hit the like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next session.